So ABM Youth are a board of 20 young people. We're all between 13 and 23, and we represent the voice of children and young people within ABMU Health Board.
We were basically set up to give children and young people a voice in the Health Board.
Pwrpas ABM Youth yw I fel adnabod hawliau ar gyfer plant mewn ysbytai.
We revolve all of our work around the Children's Rights Charter, and that's what we hope that all people working with young people will also do. The Children's Rights Charter is based on the UNCRC list of children's rights, and it's the ones that apply most to health.
Children can't really speak for themselves most of the time. Most people don't really listen to them. So it's important that children's rights give them a chance to get what they deserve.
The main thing is being the communication source between the adults and the children.
Many of us have just gone into children's wards do a mini audit and just talk about the good and the bad things that happen on the ward.
We've been onto the wards, we've talked to children who are inpatients, and to kind of take it to the next level, we're going to do a survey about children's rights in health.
I've had some quite positive and quite negative experiences, and I just wanted to be able to voice my opinion.
We can help improve children's experiences in health.
We've had a lot of people come into meetings to discuss different issues that we've had, and they've been really helpful. We've given them advice on what to improve, and yeah, I think they've enjoyed having the youth board to see the young people's views on issues that are currently taking place.
Sometimes children's priorities get sort of dropped down the bar a little bit, so it's about lifting that profile and it's about them using the charter, because the executive board signed up to that charter, so it's a very powerful tool. It is important that children are heard, that their voices are heard, and that we take them seriously, because they are our future. If we get healthcare right for children and young people when they're young, then we will reap the benefits of it as they get older, because they'll grow up to be healthy adults.
If you're a child, you're the expert in your own life. So what you think is best for you maybe isn't what your parents think, or what the doctors would like to happen maybe isn't something that you as a person would want. If you're willing to listen to children and young people, and you work together and join up the children with the adults who can listen and make a difference, you just get really good and really new ideas, and everyone benefits in the long run.